We have a hands-on unboxing of the Galaxy A52, courtesy of a Twitter user, Enkoretech. We also have the full spec sheet of both the A52 and A72, and they're shaping up to be amazing mid-range devices. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more tech videos. So Ahmed has the A52 in hand and did a picture unboxing on Twitter. The back of the A52 looks amazing with its matte black finish. It makes it look more premium and looks a lot better than the glossy back finish on the A51. It's still plastic, but it's a lot more elegant than the A51, and it's gonna be less of a fingerprint magnet. It has a quad camera setup on the back, and the camera module blends in with the matte black finish, which makes for a really good looking design. On the front, it has a full HD plus 90Hz display on the 4G variant and 120Hz display on the 5G variant, but they both max out at 800 nits of brightness. The phones are gonna ship with the complete accessories in the box, so a protective case, a screen protector, a fast charging brick, USB-C cable, and headphones. The phone is also gonna have a headphone jack and Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Now, what's shocking is Samsung killed the power brick in its flagship S21 series in the name of saving the environment.
With your preferences and the planet in mind, we are proposing a way to prevent these unused items from piling up in your drawers.
With your preferences and the planet in mind. With your preferences and the planet in mind.
But it doesn't seem to care about the environment with its mid-range series. Or perhaps the environment only gets damaged when they ship chargers in their flagship devices. The A52 and A72 both have IP67 water and dust resistance rating, which is the first time a Samsung mid-range device has an IP rating. The A52 and A72 are very similar, they're like identical twins. Here's the spec sheet of both devices. What's exclusive to the Galaxy A72 is space zoom. It has a telephoto lens that can do 3 times optical zoom and 30 times digital zoom. It's possible that this is the same telephoto lens that Samsung used on the S21 and S21 Plus. On the A52, Samsung used a 5-megapixel depth sensor in place of the zoom camera. Both have optical image stabilization on the main camera, which is also a first on the A series. The main camera comes in at 64 megapixel resolution. There's a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, a 5 megapixel macro sensor, and the depth and telephoto lens. For the price, the A52 is gonna come in at €369 for the 4G variant and €459 for the 5G variant. And the A72 will start at €449 for the 4G variant. They're expected to launch on the 26th of March. Let me know what you think about the A52 and A72 in the comment section below. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.